Today, I want to explain how you can use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, which means getting specific information from a big set of data. Let's say you have a table with agent names. You want to find out things about these agents, like their sales or country. Start by typing the formula in this cell. The formula is equal to VLOOKUP. Then, add parentheses. Choose the value you want to look up. Excel will fill in the location for you. Now, select the whole table, after selecting Full Table, and type 3 because we want to select Column 3. You can pick any column. And then, type 0. This means if there's no exact match, the formula will give the closest answer. Close the parentheses. Press Enter. You'll see the sales value for that agent. You'll also see that Jon Snow's sales value is the same above and below. You can try this for another agent. Type Steve Rogers. After writing Steve Rogers, press Enter dot, and the sales value of Steve Rogers will be shown in the front of you. That's how you use VLOOKUP to find values in a big set of data. If you found this helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe this channel.